this video, we will guide you through the process of marking the doors and windows in your uplan project. To select the door drawing tool, click on the third button in the upper menu bar, or use hotkey number 3. Simply choose one end of the door on the layout and draw a line along the section of the door. Make sure to create a length longer than 40 centimeters. The same process can be used when creating windows with button number 4. Both doors and windows can only be drawn on existing inner or outer walls. If you wish to delete the created part, click on the bin icon and it will be deleted. Electrical planning can be that easy with uplan.